If you have a credit card, you need to watch this because banks are shutting down credit card lines more than ever.
Citizens Bank closed my business credit card for practically no reason, and my hope is maybe they see this and can actually reopen it or give me a valid reason, because their reasoning is pretty nonsense if you ask me. It says unable to verify information on application and improper handling of citizens bank accounts. Then my personal credit, which I am a co-signer on this business credit card, has a 800 on all three credit bureaus. Also, I only used about $13,000 of the $35,000 credit card limit. So I'm just trying to figure out, one, why was it actually closed? Because improper handling of citizens bank accounts, I don't have a bank account, I only have this credit card account. And then unable to verify information on application should have just gave me a denial before I even got the credit card.
And if you are doing these three things, you need to stop doing it now. They're even shutting down people who actually pay their bills on time, including their credit cards. If you are doing some of these activities that you think is innocent, it can cause your credit score to tank if they actually shut down your credit card lines, and it can ruin your really good credit score. So in this video, I'm going to break down what these three things are that banks are actually shutting down credit card lines for, and what you can do if this already happened to you to salvage your credit score if you act fast. Now, here's the first reason why a bank would shut down your credit card lines.
So let me get this straight. Capital One is closing people's accounts for credit cycling. They're closing your account for what they call credit cycling. I'm so confused. So basically, if you purchase something and you pay it off, and then you purchase something again and you pay it off, they're considering that to be credit cycling, and then they're going to close your account. That's insane to me. I thought that's what they've always wanted you to do with your credit cards. Pay off the balance. So Capital One is going to close your account because you're doing exactly that, and they're calling it credit cycling. That's a darn shame.
Now, this is very hard for people to understand. How is it a violation if you're using your card and paying it off? The key here with card cycling, if you're maxing out that card, even if you pay it off in that cycle, the consistently maxing out that credit card sends out a signal. Number one, that you're in distress, and the banks have algorithms now with AI. So they don't even have a human reviewing it. It's just certain signals can get your card shut down. And if they already qualified you for a $10,000 credit line and you max that credit card line out for that $10,000, pay it down, then max it out again in that billing cycle, you're actually using $20,000 and getting points that was not factored in. So these credit card companies have particular costs and their profits with the points that they are giving you. So you doubling those points in their eyes is actually getting a benefit that they're not allowing you to have. And there's different money laundering rules that banks have in place that they must adhere to by the federal government, or they will get fined. Now, the second reason is late payments.
Got multiple lines of credit with American Express, and one is
they will shut them all down.
What happens with one? Like if you don't pay one, what happens to the other credit?
Yeah, they'll shut all the credit cards down. So American Express is heavily relationship based, and they're super attentive to how your activity is. If you have a late payment or you're not paying that card down, they will shut off all your credit cards. So for example, I had a lady one time, we got her funded. She had every card. She had the plum, the gold, the platinum, and the two blues. And she went 60 days without making a payment on her business gold card, and they ended up shutting all her cards down. And she came back to us thinking it was something we could do. And I'm like, I'm not American Express. So that was more so on her.
Now, as they stated, American Express is notorious that you can be paying your card on time, but certain cards, like their charge cards, they do allow you to carry over a balance for a certain part. It's called pay over time, but they really frown upon that. It might not even be late. Technically, they just don't like you carrying balances on their charge cards, even though they're allowing you to. They will start cutting your credit card lines like nobody business for doing that with American Express. Additionally, if you make a late payment on even a different credit card line with another company, not with that bank, all banks can pull and review your credit reports. And they usually do this annually. And if they see that late payment, they can close out your credit card line, even though you've never been late with them. This happened to me when I was in my 20s and I was furious, but they do this all the time. So you need to dispute any late payment, collection, charge off immediately, because you don't want your other credit card lines to actually get closed out. And this can cause chaos to your credit report. Now, with my elite credit system, users like Greg was able to remove a collection within 12 days. So if you need my help with my one-on-one coaching, you can set an appointment with the link in the description of the video, or you can join my AI software and credit coaching, and I can help you. That link is in the description of the video and in the pinned comment section. But make sure you clean up your credit report for any negative information, because believe it or not, they're pulling your credit reports annually. And now with this AI, some of them are checking more often than annually, because they know right now that people are really in a stress position from all these high interest rates over the years. And now Americans are carrying a record high average of credit card debt. So they are checking in on your credit reports. So make sure you deal with that negative information. The third and final reason is maxed out credit card lines and even credit card lines you are not using.
This is a PSA to make sure that you're paying attention to your old credit cards, even if you don't use them. As you can see, Capital One just closed down one of my credit cards. And this happened to be the oldest credit card that I got when I was 18, which means that one of the main factors for my credit score, the age of credit, is about to go down. I haven't used this card for about 2 years and Capital One shut it down and I got this email. But I'm definitely gonna make sure that moving forward, I will be using these credit cards at least once. If you're into travel credit cards, this can definitely be pretty common, so just make sure that you are paying attention to things like this.
Keeping your credit cards maxed out will get your accounts closed like that. Late payments or maxed out credit cards are one of the quickest ways to get your credit card accounts closed. And the reason for this is due to risk assessment. The lenders think of you more of a risk now than when you first applied because of the habits that you're keeping.
Now, this can be really upsetting and annoying, that the fact if you have a card maxed out and you're actually using it, but paying it on time, that they close out your account. And then the opposite end, if you don't use that account at all, they shut down that account. Yes, that is what happens often. So if you are a person right now that have a credit card balance on a particular credit card and it's close to even being maxed out, I'm talking about if you're going over 60%, I would try to pay that card down as much as possible, because they really start to look at you to shut an account down if you're carrying a lot of credit card debt. And just like I said earlier, even if you have a credit card with another company, okay, maxed out, they can close down your credit card with the company it's not maxed out with. They will do that. Or you might even have a balance and just close that line down and then hit you with a maxed out credit line when you had good credit, doing everything right with that company. If that happens, you need to replace that line ASAP before it updates on your credit report that is closed out, because that can tank your credit score. And you can salvage it if you could replace it with another credit card line. Additionally, if you're not using a credit card line, they will shut it down, because they're trying to make sure that you use that card. Banks make money off of interest, and they don't want these open lines of credit out there that's not being used, because they're not getting return on the risk of issuing you that credit. So they will start closing down credit card lines. And the best way for you to handle an inactive account, make sure you use it. Set up your Netflix account and then have the minimum to cover that amount automatically come out of your bank account, so that account is never inactive. So if you are not careful, or if you're doing these behaviors, they can get your card shut down. So hopefully this information was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. More detailed questions for me, you can go to my website and all your questions go directly to my cell phone. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned.